6 Chinese phrases to encourage and motivate. 6个鼓励语 Dive into the Mandarin's uplifting words. A friend close to the marathon finish. You can do it. 你可以的，你可以的。Team about to score. Go for it. 加油，加油。Facing tough times. Don't give up. 别放弃，别放弃。Done an amazing job. You are awesome. 你真棒，你真棒。Hard work paying off. You did great. 你做得很好，你做得很好。For the tireless souls working late, keep working hard. 继续努力，继续努力。I hope this session added value to your Mandarin journey. And remember, in Mandarin, we say 加油 to cheer you on. 加油，再见，bye.